Everyone, welcome to the Coding Zoo. If this is your first time joining, my name is Shane. This is our Coding Zoo JavaScript Building Blocks lessons. Well, that's a tongue twister. Where we learn how to program in JavaScript together. In today's lesson, we're going to cover what are the different types of variables. If you haven't checked it out already, after the video, be sure to check out thecodingzoo.com. That's thecodingzoo.com, all one word. This is our website that contains links to other videos, and it contains study notes and quizzes for each lesson. Not every lesson will have a quiz, but there usually be study notes for each lesson. I would encourage you and or your child to study those study notes and to take the practice quizzes so the facts kind of stick in your head longer. I also recommend that you program as we program. Go ahead and code along with us. Let's go ahead and get started. I have my index file from lesson 1 open. Of course, you just need to open your browser up, preferably with that file, so you have a nice clean white screen. I'm going to press Control-Shift-J, open up my JavaScript console, my browser console, and let's look at the different variable types. We've already seen our first variable type in the previous lessons, string. String variable is basically a variable used to store text. var my name equals apostrophe Shane end apostrophe semicolon. So this is a string variable. As you see in the previous lessons, you can actually concatenate. You can put strings together by doing variable name plus and another string. I'm going to press Shift Enter. My name equals my name plus space crouch end apostrophe semicolon, Shift Enter, console.log my name semicolon. There you go. You can add strings together. You can what's called concatenate them together. This is a string variable, again, used for storing text. The next variable type we'll learn about is basically a Boolean. So a Boolean is basically a variable that has a value of true or false. So variable is old equals false. Press Shift Enter. Console.log is old, and there you go. The variable equals false. Let's try variable is old equals true. Shift Enter. Console.log is old semicolon, press Enter, and now is old equals true. This is a Boolean variable. It's used to store true or false. The next type of variable, we've gone over string, we've gone over Boolean. The next type is a numeric type. So here we go. Let's try that out. There's two ways you can do that. There's variable var rather. My age equals, and instead of putting quotes or double quotes for string, I'm just going to put a number. I could do this, 32, and that makes a string variable. But when I add them together later, it'll be adding two strings together, not two numbers. So we're doing numeric variables. So instead of making a string, I'm going to do 32 without the quotes, and that makes a number. Put a semicolon, press Shift Enter. And now I'm going to say my age equals 32, or actually I'm going to say my age equals my age plus 13.5. 13.5 is a decimal. It's another number. So the numeric variable type can store both integers and doubles. And press Shift Enter, and we're going to print this out, console.log my age, press enter, not shift enter, to execute, and 45.5. So you notice the plus sign means add, of course, and I added a integer and a double together. So Boolean, numeric types, Boolean is true, false. Numeric types is integer or double, and string types. Those are your primitive data types in JavaScript, primitive. Now there are other types, complex types. One such type is an array. An array allows you to store different primitive types, or basically a list. An array lets you store like a list of primitive types or a list of objects. An object type is another variable type, and we'll go into objects in a later video and arrays in a later video. But there are complex types. These are your primitive types. Complex types are array and object. So that is it for the variable types. I hope that makes it clear for you. If you're not clear, if you have any questions, hey, leave a comment below. We will get back to you. If there's any way we can make these videos more helpful for you, let us know. We'd love the input. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, click the like below. If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click the subscribe button. And once you click subscribe, you'll get a bell icon. Hit the bell icon for alerts. I hope you enjoy learning how to program with us. If you're enjoying the lessons and you know someone who would also enjoy learning how to program with us, let them know about the videos and ask them to come join us. Again, thanks for joining us. We'll see you next time.